Param Shanti. I'm Sakshi and I welcome you all to Bapuji's official channel, Bapuji Darshat Bhai Patel. Today we would be talking about 3D to 5D, matrix, then the shift from old earth to new earth. So everyone is talking about we are evolving. Our bodies are moving from carbon based to crystal based. This old reality cannot survive in fifth dimension. Currently, war is going on between darkness and light. It's a war of consciousness. So let's understand this concept. Yes, we are in profound evolution of consciousness, a shift from carbon-based existence to crystalline light body. This transition is not just physical, but deeply spiritual and energetic. The old 3D matrix is based on duality, control, and limitation. Cannot sustain itself in the high frequency realms of the 5D dimension and beyond. As the planetary frequency rises, those who align with a higher consciousness will experience an expansion of awareness, whereas those who are attached to fear and materialism will struggle to adapt. The war between darkness and light. This is the war of consciousness. This is not a war fought with weapons. It is a war of energy, vibrations, and perception. Darkness thrives on fear, separations, and ignorance, whereas light expands through love, unity, and wisdom. So choice is yours, whether you need to go to darkness or towards light. The forces of darkness seek to trap humanity in the lower frequency of control, fear, and material bondage. But the forces of light are activating the higher DNA codes, awakening souls, dissolving illusions created by the old system of 3D. This is why so many people are feeling intense energy shift, emotional purges, and rapid changes in their reality. How to transit and align with the higher dimensions. Raise your frequency, shift from fear to love, from control to surrender. Activate your crystalline light body through meditation, breath work, and energy alignment. Detach from old matrix, which is very important. So detach from the old matrix, stop feeding the system of fear and manipulation. Reconnect with the cosmic intelligence. Your intuition is real intelligence beyond programming. So you don't go with the programming, what is till now being taught to you. So go beyond that. Okay. So because you are beyond that, you are infinite to infinite. Embody light and truth. The more we embody divine light, the less power darkness has over reality. This is very important. We need to feel this energy. We need to feel light. Because if we embody ourselves into light, the power of darkness will not empower us. Okay? The final battle is within. Battle is between us, between within. That is you versus you. So choose your reality. This is a dimensional split. And every soul is choosing. Will you stay trapped in the old or will you ascend into the new? It's your choice. Remember, you are not just evolving, you are remembering what you truly are. Pure consciousness, limitless and divine. The shift is now. The shift is now. Which side are you on? So I leave this to you. So here comes to our video end. So I would request everybody join us with this divine mission of great transformation, dimensional shift, and know yourself, learn meditation with us. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. We do daily conduct meditation classes in the morning between 5:30 to 6:30 on our other YouTube channel, that is Param Shanti Motivation and Meditation. And on this channel, on Bapuji's official channel, daily live meditations are conducted between 10 to 11. So we welcome you all and join your hands with us in this divine mission. Thank you so much. Param Shanti.
परम शांति सोचो बोलो परम शांति.
Join us daily for our morning live meditation, Monday to Saturday, 5:30 to 6:30 a.m.
Join us daily for live meditation, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. on YouTube Live. Subscribe now. Website www.paramshanti.org. Email us anand@paramshanti.org. Like, share, subscribe. Join today.
बेहद की